Alright, so let's just talk about this problem that we had today for warm-up, one of our bell ringers. So if you guys are reading this, it's just saying that if it's your birthday, then you know there's a set of rules to follow that would lead into either a no ticket, a small ticket, or a big ticket. And then if it's not your birthday, there's another set. So if you guys could go ahead and just set this up, I would go ahead and just deal with exceptions first. So especially if you keep, you're like, I keep getting lost in these, I don't know where to start, always start with the exceptions. So we're going to go, if it's your birthday, what is the exception? So we're going to go ahead and just write that here. Otherwise, what's the rest, right? So go ahead and have something like this. We have one exception, that is that we have a birthday or not have a birthday. And then if we have a birthday, we'll have a set of code here. If birthday, do what? Alright, so if it's your birthday, it's saying here that you can speed 5 higher than in all of the cases. So again, you have to do a lot of reading up here to figure out your boundaries here. Originally, it's either 60 or less to not get a ticket. But again, if it's your birthday, then you can do 5 higher. So we're going to go, if the speed is less than equal to 65, then we don't have a ticket. And we signify a no ticket by returning 0. Return 0 if no ticket. Otherwise, the speed could be between 66 so greater than equal to 66 or and speed is less than or equal to 85. Alright, so then again we have the case where you're going under 65 or equal to 65 and you get no ticket. And then there's the small ticket now where you're going from 66 to 85. So return 1. Then finally, if you're not going under 65 and you're not going from 66 to 85, then you must be going faster. So automatically you know that you're going to get a higher ticket. So again, this is kind of like the thinking behind it is, you're taking care of all the cases here. You've got case 1, case 2, and then finally the rest of the cases. So not going under 85, so gonna get a big ticket. Alright, so again, the special case was that it's your birthday, and if it's your birthday, these are the set of rules that you will follow, or that the cop will follow. And then if it's not your birthday though, you've got a different set, and that's going to go under the else. So if birthday, else. Let's do something else. So now we're going to go here, and of course we know that every one of these speeds will be subtracting 5 from them, because the birthday allowed us to go 5 higher. So then if I submit this, here are all the tests that pass for this code. So again, if you get lost in these, always take care of the exceptions if you are going by, some sort of set of rules on how to start them. For many of you guys, the majority of you guys know how to just begin these and get the final answer so that it does work. But again, if you're having problems, you can go over some simple rules like, alright, what's my one exception? And then if if I have an exception, do I have a set of rules to follow? If I have a set of rules, that usually implies, we've got conditions that we have to check for. And then as soon as we have a condition that's met, there's usually an action. So here's the condition, here's the action, here's the condition, here's the action. And then this is the default case. So again, else usually takes care of all the other cases if they're not taken care of in the if and else if statements. So again, here's my condition, and then here's my set of rules. Here's my condition, which is not my birthday. here are the rules to follow. So there you have it. Hopefully you guys could slow this down, slow it down a bit, rewatch it, recode it, and then some other rules that you can follow. Whenever you write an if statement, go ahead and write it so that you have your parentheses, and then you've got your curly braces here. And then, of course, if you've got an else statement to go along with it, you want to have your opening and closing brackets already. Alright, so there you have it. Thanks.